Hello. My name is Cassandra Lee and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I remove the glue from my lashes after applying them underneath my lash line. So stay tuned if you're interested to seeing the process. All you're going to need is a spoolie, face wash, petroleum jelly, a facial cloth or a paper towel, and a dry towel for after you wash your face. So I'm going to start off by washing my face. The reason I'm doing this is because it's in my normal routine, and after I'm just going to get in the shower and then finish showing you guys how I'm going to take it off with the petroleum jelly and the spoolie. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll listen to some cute music as always, and we'll learn together.
Flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Is this feeling lying? Could you pass the lighter? Yeah, I'm trying to keep my cool. Nicotine in my veins, flaming up desires. What am I supposed to do? Cause it feels so good. Feeling wild like a zoo. Put me in a mood. Put me in a mood. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Yeah. Moving through all my feels, you're blurring out.
So now that I'm out of the shower and dressed, we're going to continue the process. All you're going to need is the spoolie and petroleum jelly. What I do is I saturate the spoolie with the petroleum jelly, and then I just go at it with my lash line. Go ahead and brush it. Saturate your lashes. Roll that petroleum jelly onto the lash. Go any and every direction. Just don't poke your eyeball, okay? Be safe. And that's all we're going to do. Once you get all the glue out, I'm going to finish the process with a facial cloth. I'm going to use my face cleanser and just put a little bit of water and a little bit of cleanser on the cloth. Remove the excess oil from the outer area of my eye and my lashes. And that's going to be the sum of it. Stay tuned for the results.
Moving through all my feels, you're blurring up my vision. Watching your every smile like your television. In your eyes I see myself, I'm falling. Make it make sense, it must be the temptation speaking. What am I supposed to do? Cause it feels so good. Feeling wild like a zoo. Put me in a mood. Put me in a mood. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Me and you. Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Where you